Wiley cereal, part of a complete solar breakfast. Wiley WEEB washers, wire management, lay-in lugs, and bonding jumpers are synonymous with solar installations. But did you know Wiley is not just for solar anymore? That's right. Would you be surprised to learn that Wiley is also used in telecom and industrial applications?
What? Telecom and industrial?
That's right. From solar to OEM and all the way to telecom, Wiley products can be found almost anywhere. Wiley WEEB washers are perfect for bonding applications. Wiley wire management solutions can be used on fencing, RVs, boats, and even household applications. Or your Christmas lights. Or your Halloween lights. Or your Arbor Day lights. Dairy farmers have used Wiley wire management solutions to keep teat cups organized. Concert venues have used Wiley products to display signage and to secure temporary fencing. And there is even a Wiley WEEB washer specifically designed for telecom and industrial grounding and bonding applications.
Oh, come on, Wiley? Really?
Wiley. It's not just for solar anymore. Contact your local Burndy sales representative to learn more about how Wiley can be integrated into your project.